Good morning, children. Good morning. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm, what happened? Good morning, nothing. Today the weather is so good. I know. Good mornings.
Good
Hmm.
morning.
Good morning, my children. Good morning.
Good
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 morning,
morning.
ma'am.
After so many days, we are having a class, isn't it? Now tell me one thing very quickly. We were doing modals when I went for a break. What were we doing? Wow, such a musical
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bachas. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Are you all fine?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Meeting
Good
after
morning,
so
ma'am.
many
Good morning, ma'am.
meeting after
Good morning,
so
ma'am.
good morning, children. All of you, please take good care of yourself. Okay, you know the pandemic is still not over. Please
Ma'am,
take
how
good
are
care.
you?
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Ma'am, are you fine now?
Better now.
Are you
Negative.
fine?
Yes, better, Bache. The report is negative now, but lot of weakness still is there. That is why I always suggest everybody take a lot of precautions. Take good care of yourself. I did not go anywhere. Nobody came to my house. But I don't know how we got positive. All three members in the family, we all got positive.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bache. So those 10,
Ma'am,
11.
corona is spreading in air also.
That is what I also felt. My doctor said the same thing, that we generally sit in the lawn in our house. So he said ki maybe you were sitting in the lawn and somebody went from the road who sneezed or who coughed. And we don't wear a mask when we sit inside our house, no beta. So the doctors are
Yes,
suggesting now that inside the house also wear a mask. Normally we sit in the house lawn, we never wear a mask. So he was
Ma'am?
suggesting that yes, bache.
Ma'am, you will be teaching us grammar, ma'am.
Yes, surprise.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
I'm
because
happy.
ma'am said that she will do all our English subjects. Ma'am, but
Beta, actually earlier Surbhi ma'am was given all the three sections of ninth. But today we have started the new timetable. So only ninth A Surbhi ma'am will be taking. B and C I will be taking. Ninth
okay,
A
ma'am.
Surbhi ma'am is going to take. B and C I am going to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, for
Bache,
language?
yes, beta, I'll be taking grammar and writing section with you. The literature part, Surbhi ma'am will be taking for you people.
Okay, ma'am.
And for ninth A, entire thing, everything Surbhi ma'am will be taking for ninth A, according to the new timetable which has just come today. Okay, this is how
Alright.
the division.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
This is
So, because of me testing positive and being on leave for so many days, थोड़ा सा हम लोग पीछे हो गए हैं, so we need to work a little hard now. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
let me see. How many of us remember what are modals? याद है कुछ थोड़ा बहुत? Very quick revision of modals.
example.
And the
Okay.
word and the auxiliary word which express our feelings.
Very good. Now let us have some very quick revision of modals. Number one heading you all need to remember for modals, it is interrogatives. Charlie, speak with me. Which is the first heading you remember for modals?
Interrogative.
Interrogative.
So when I say interrogatives, what, which, where, why, who, how, all these can be used as modals. Everybody with me very quickly. Which is the first category of modals?
Interrogatives.
Interrogative.
Interrogate.
What all
Interrogative.
words you can use? Tell me.
Who, what,
Who,
for,
What, why, which.
who, which, where, what.
The second category is demonstratives. Speak with me.
Demonstrative.
Demonstrative.
So when I say demonstrative, I mean, wow, nice music. This, that, these, those. Tell me four. Which are the four demonstratives?
These those.
This, that,
This, that, these, those.
this, that, these, those.
बहुत smart बच्चा है. Okay. Which was the first category of modals? I just told you.
Interrogative.
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 Give me a few examples. Give me a few examples of interrogatives. I've just done it with you.
What?
Which one?
Which? Who?
Very smart. Very
Where?
smart. Okay. Now, second category of modals I told you was
Demonstrative.
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 name the 4 demonstratives.
This,
that,
those,
This,
That,
those,
these, those.
these,
These, that,
that.
those.
Okay. Now, please remember the third category we are going to revise. Okay, my bachas. It is quantifiers. Name them.
Quantifiers.
Quantifier.
Now listen, which are the quantifiers we have? Much, many. Speak with me.
much, many,
Any.
Few, a few, the few. Speak with me. Few, a few, the few.
Few,
The few. And little, a little, the little.
the few,
Speak.
tell
a
little,
little,
the little.
a little, the little.
a little,
And
the little.
little, a little, the little. Few, a few, the few. And some and any.
The little.
Now, before I move on to further modals, let me explain the usage of these two to you, again to you. Jaldi se kar lete hain. Tell me the difference between much and many. What is the difference between much and many?
Ma'am, much is used in the form we
Ma'am, much is used with uncountable and many for countable.
And
Very good.
for countable noun.
Very good. Excellent, children. Much is used for uncountables and many is used for countables. I'll speak a
Yes, ma'am.
sentence and you tell me whether it should be much or it should be many. Okay, be ready, all of you. He is dash excited today.
Much.
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 I have dash friends.
Many.
Many.
Good. I have dash water in my bottle.
Much.
Very good. I have dash pencils in my box.
Many.
So there is no confusion between much and many. My children are very confident between much and many. Now, very quick revision of some and any. We are going to do the difference between some and any. Where to use some, where to use any. Who will tell me? Usage of some and any. Where do we use some, where do we use any? Anybody knows? No? Chalo, never mind. Let us do it. Beta, dekho, in English we have 3 kinds of sentence. Ha, you want to say something? Please say. Ha, even if it is wrong, I'm absolutely okay. I just want you people to speak out. Ha, beta, bataiye.
Is used in negative sense, like we are asking questions, and ma'am, some is used when we are not asking questions.
She has given quite a correct answer. Very good. Anyone else? She says any is used with interrogative sentences when we ask questions.
Yes.
Anybody, anything else? Tell me. Beta, in English, we have 3 kinds of sentences. Assertive, negative, and interrogative. What are the 3 kinds of sentences, children?
Assertive.
Negative and interrogative.
Just to make it easier for you, positive
Ma'am.
sentences are assertive sentences. Making it easy for you. Positive sentences are assertive sentences. So positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, how many kinds of sentences roughly we'll classify in English? Speak out, how many kinds of
3.
sentences?
Negative, and
Ma'am, positive, negative, and interrogative.
So I'll speak out a sentence and you tell me it falls in which category. Okay, I have a lot of money.
Positive.
Assertive.
Very good. I don't have any money.
Negative.
Negative.
Do you have any money?
Interrogative.
So you now understand the usage of some and any. Some is used with positive sentences. Some is used with which sentences?
Positive
Positive.
Very good. And any is used with negative and interrogative sentences. Clear everybody the difference between some and any? एक बार फिर से करते हैं. Some is used with which
Okay.
sentences? Tell me, some is used with which
Positive.
sentences?
Positive.
Ma'am, demonstrative.
And we'll come to that, beta. And any is used with which kind of sentences?
Interrogative.
Now I'll be speaking
Interrog-
sentences and you will fill some and any. Ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have dash water in my bottle. I have.
Some.
Some water.
Because it's a positive sentence. I have, I said. Next. I don't have dash water in my bottle.
Any.
Very good. Do you have dash water?
Any.
So two good children. Some is used with which sentences?
Positive.
And any is used with?
Negative.
and interrogative.
And interrogative.
Everybody now knows the difference between much and many?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Pakka?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And all of you know the difference between some and any?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us do demonstratives now. Difference between this, that, these, those. What is the difference between this and that?
Ma'am, this is used to demonstrate the
with it this and the thing that is farther we use that.
Very good. Singular. Most importantly, singular. So something which is singular and is close to us, we use this. And something which is singular and is far, we use that. And for plurals, beta, plurals, you know what are plurals now?
Yes, ma'am.
More than one.
Plurals.
More
Okay.
than one.
Yes. For plurals,
And more than
yes, very good. For plurals, if something is close to us and they're plural, we use these. And for plurals, far, we use those. Chalo, now you answer my questions. There is one boy who's sitting just next to my chair. So I will say, this boy is good or that boy is good?
This boy.
This boy.
Now that boy,
Ma'am,
that
because
boy
he's
is
close
sitting
to me.
very far. Yes, he's sitting very close to me. That boy now he goes
Ma'am,
and
that
sits in the
boy.
other class. And I want to talk about him and I want to tell you something about him. Very good. What will
Ma'am,
I
that
say?
boy.
That. Now there are 5, 6 boys.
Ma'am,
There are
that.
5, 6. Good children. Very good. There are 5, 6 children who are sitting near me. And I want to talk about children. So I'll say these children or those children?
These.
Ma'am, these.
And if they go and sit in the field outside and I want to talk about them, what will I say?
Those.
These or those?
Those.
They're sitting very far now. They're sitting in the field, playground. So these or those? Yes, these or those?
Ma'am,
Those.
Ma'am,
Okay,
those.
fine. So for singular, this and that is used. And for plurals?
These and those.
These and those.
Now quickly tell me how many modals you're clear with. Which was the first one I explained today?
Interrogative.
Ma'am, interrogative.
Give me examples, beta.
Who, what, which, where.
Which, where, what.
Okay, बहुत अच्छे. What is the next category I did with you?
Demonstrative.
Demonstrative.
Give me examples. Give me examples.
This, that, these, those.
That, these, those.
The next ones we did were
Quantifiers.
Fire.
Quantifiers.
In quantifiers, we have done how many?
Many.
Many, much, some, many.
Very good. Much, many, some, any, all these can be used. And then we did demonstratives. In demonstratives, we had
This, that, these.
okay. Now, who will tell me the difference between few and little?
Few is
Ma'am,
Few is used with countable
uncountable
and little for
and
uncountable.
little is used for countable.
the
Little
little.
is used for countable and little
Very
is
good.
uncountable
So
now.
few is used for countable. So I'll say I have few books or I have little books.
Few.
And few books.
Good, very good. Now, what is the difference between few, a few, and the few? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, sorry for disturbing you.
Yes, Peter, speak out.
I'm
Ma'am,
sorry
please
for
repeat
disturbing you.
that
Can you
again.
repeat?
Okay. I'm saying we all know that few is used for countables. Now, few, a few, the few. Okay.
A few.
A few.
Ma'am, is the little quantity than the few, and the little is more little quantity than a few.
Okay. And then what is the few? Lot of confusions. Yes, tell me. Try, children. Try guess few, a few, the few. Tell me. You can always guess.
Ma'am, we use the few with pronouns.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. Anybody else? Mm-hmm. Try. See, it is a bit confusing. Few, a few, the few. Chalo, let me see who will answer this question. Chocolate question. Tell me quickly. Okay, anybody would like to try it? Please try it out. No?
Ma'am, few, a few, and the few display different quantities.
Yes, they do. Can you explain it with the help of an example? Even if you're not able to explain like this, just tell me about this example. They can try it out. Somebody. Yes. Can anybody try with the help of an example? Chalo, never mind. Nobody wants to try. Should I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This you can understand. If you don't understand, please tell me. I'll explain again to you. Because if you understand few, a few, the few, you will automatically understand little, a little, and the little. Beta see, few means negative. सिर्फ नाम के लिए है, असली में कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. Supposing I have one paper, I can say I have few papers. है तो पर बहुत ही कम है. Almost negative. A few मतलब कम है, but थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So कम, I mean less in quantities, few or a few? Few.
A
Few.
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 Negative. Okay, few means negative, सिर्फ नाम के लिए, असल में नहीं, negative मान के चलो, take it in the negative sense, very little, बहुत ही कम. A few means it is less but it is there, and the few means जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है, जो भी थोड़ा बहुत. Now I'll give you an example. Listen carefully. ठीक है? I have a few papers. What does it mean? 2-3 papers, not many. How many? Few. If I say, supposing I have 10-12 papers, then I will say I have few papers or a few papers.
A few.
A few papers. Very good. And the few papers I had, I gave it to the students. जो भी थोड़े बहुत थे, I gave it to the children. Okay? Now supposing I have only one toffee. What will I say? I have dash toffees. Few, a few, or the few?
Few.
Few. Now I have 4 toffees. So what will I say?
A few. A few.
Okay. Then I'll say dash toffees I had. I distributed it to the children.
The few.
The few means जो भी
Okay,
थोड़ा
ma'am.
बहुत. Yes, बच्चे, speak out.
Ma'am, can you please explain the difference in brief? Ma'am, I was disconnected.
Never mind. We are still doing the same thing. Don't worry. Okay. Now see this. Again, we are going to do. Few means सिर्फ नाम के लिए, but otherwise it is negative. है ही नहीं, बहुत ही कम है. A few means कम तो है, but थोड़ा बहुत है. And the few is जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है. I'm doing an example with you. Supposing you have छोटा सा one pencil, just one pencil, and वो भी बहुत छोटा सा. So what will you say? I have dash pencils. Few or a few? Few. Okay, now you have four pencils, and if somebody asks you, do you have any pencils? What will you say?
A few.
Ma'am, a few. A few. And somebody asks you for pencils, and you want to say कि जो भी थी मैंने तो दे दी. So what will you say?
The few.
The few pencils you have, I gave it to somebody. I'm speaking the sentences, and you will give me the answers now. Fill, few, a few, and the few. Okay. I just have one eraser. Just one eraser.
Ma'am, few.
Now tell me.
Few.
Very good. Now tell me the next one. Supposing you have 4 erasers, what will you say?
A few.
A few.
Good. And whatever erasers you had, you gave it to somebody. So what will you say?
The few.
Good. The few erasers I had, I gave it to somebody.
Ma'am,
So
may I?
few means negative. So few means what? Negative. बहुत ही कम, सिर्फ नाम के लिए. A few means थोड़ा ज्यादा, and the few is जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है. Now just tell me one thing very quickly. Same thing we are going to use for little, a little, and the little. Little means negative, सिर्फ नाम के लिए. Supposing I have only 2 drops of water in my bottle. So what will I say? I have little water or a little water?
Little water.
And if I have 1 glass of water, है तो कम, but थोड़ा बहुत तो है.
A little.
And whatever water I have, I gave it to somebody. So what will I say?
A little.
Very good. I'll say the little water I had, I gave it to so and so. So few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Is it okay for everybody?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, may I
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Few, a few. Which was the third word?
The few.
The few.
Yeah. Very good.
ma'am,
Now
may I
next.
ask my
Yes,
doubt?
Pooja, you want to say something? Yes, please speak. Others, please listen. Try and answer. Hmm.
I want to ask my doubt, ma'am, that in few, like we in the example we had only one razor. So, ma'am, why we use a few? We can simply say I have only a single eraser.
Beta, what are we studying?
Ma'am,
We are studying the usage of these 3 words. Then obviously you need to use these words. Otherwise, how will you understand? Speaking to you can say anything. You can say, I have 1 eraser. You can say I have a eraser, I have an eraser. That is not, we are not studying that what we can say. We are studying the usage of few, a few, the few, and little, a little, the little. We are studying the usage of modals. Supposing in exams fill in the blanks come, that fill modals. There you cannot write this, that I have one eraser. You cannot write this. Beta, we are not studying that how to write in English. We are studying the usage of modals. That is what we are studying. Which is the first category, children, very quickly, of modals that we did?
Interrogative.
Interrogatives. Can you give me examples?
Ma'am,
Who,
what
what, which, where.
Who,
Who, what, which, where.
Good, good, good. Continue. Which was the next category?
demonstrative.
What were the four demonstratives?
This, that,
That's nice. Next one.
quantifier.
Quantifiers.
Quantifiers.
Quantifiers. Give me examples. Give me examples of quantifiers.
Much,
Much, many, any,
little.
Good, good. And then we did some more. Tell me what?
Positive, negative, and
positive, negative, and interrogative sentences.
Positive, negative, and interrogative.
Good, good, good. Okay. Where is some used?
Positive sentence.
Any positive sentence.
Positive sentence.
Yes, very good. And any is used with?
negative,
Negative and
Negative and
interrogative.
negative sentences.
Okay, that is really nice. And then we did more, 6 more. What were they? Few. Come on, tell me.
Few, a few, the
Few,
Ma'am,
the
few,
few,
a
little,
few, the few.
little, a little, the little.
Little, a little, and the little. Which is used for countables?
few.
Few.
Ma'am, few.
Good, good. And little is used for?
Uncountable.
Ma'am, uncountable.
Many.
Now, can we have some practice exercises like you speak sentence and others will fill the answers? Chalo, one by one, let's try. Who will speak the sentence? Others will get the answers. You can tell your friends to fill suitable modals. Speak, beta.
Any category?
We have used so many kinds of modals, no? So use any
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Any one of them?
Start. She's giving you a sentence. Answer. You people will only answer.
Ma'am, may I tell the sentence?
Speak, speak. They will fill the dash.
I have dash books on my table.
Many.
Answer.
Many.
Many is also correct. Few could be correct. A few could be correct. Very good.
Some.
Few.
Yes, ma'am.
Some.
Ma'am,
Some
some
are-
was the
some
thing
is
which
also
I
correct.
wanted to
Very good.
fill.
Okay, some is also correct. Somebody else now, another sentence. Speak, beta. Come on, come on.
I have dash water in my glass.
Little.
A little.
Little.
Both are correct. Little and a little, both are correct because we have not seen his bottle. Okay. Next, beta. Next. Come on, keep on speaking, keep on asking. Ask, beta.
There is not dash in the glass. Dash. There is not.
Answer.
What did you say?
Much.
Ask her directly.
I don't know her name.
Ask, beta.
dash of the water is lying on the floor.
Yeah.
Dash of the
Hmm.
water is lying on the floor.
Some of the water.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. Why you all are not asking? Not getting sentences?
I don't have dash water.
जिया बंदर को
Any.
पढ़ा
Any.
जिया बंदर को पढ़ा
Any. Dash children are playing in the playground.
Some.
Some.
Very good,
Many.
very good.
Many.
See, both can be used. Yes.
Ma'am, a few.
Uh,
A few.
Okay. Countable or uncountable, my child?
Uncountable.
Hmm. So if it is countable, we can use few. Asha, now tell me one more thing. What is the difference between may and might?
And may is for the higher possibility.
for-
Might is for less possibility.
Ma'am, might is used for rarely possible things.
Okay. Now all of you look outside the weather and tell me.
Ma'am,
Tell
it
me.
may rain.
Ma'am, it might rain.
It all depends now which area you live. Okay.
It may.
Somebody said it may rain. Who said this?
Ma'am, I said this.
Where do you live? Which area?
Ma'am, Baghdata. Ma'am, it's really cloudy here. Almost dark.
Okay. But somebody said might also. Who was it?
I said might.
Where
Ma'am,
do
I
you
was
live, Vita? Where do
A
you
model
live?
town.
So model town, the chances are less that it may rain. Is it sunny over there?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
not sunny, but the weather is not very humid.
So you don't think it's going to rain. The chances are quite less, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others, please predict may or might.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
may.
may.
Acha, it
Ma'am,
may
it may
rain.
rain. Ma'am, it
Acha,
may
oh
rain
my.
today, ma'am. Ma'am, it may
Oh
rain.
God, what a confidence. It will rain today. Who was this? So much of confidence. Very sure that it is going to rain. Who was it? Hmm?
Ma'am, it will
100%.
surely rain, ma'am, but ma'am, we cannot predict. Ma'am, exactly.
Yes, we are not climate meteorological department, so we cannot
Yes,
predict
ma'am.
actually. Hmm?
But we
So,
can say it may rain today.
it may rain. You know the difference between can and could?
Ma'am, can is the ma'am we are telling about our ability and could.
Could is what?
Ma'am, could it
Ma'am, to make polite request.
our ability in the past tense?
Okay.
And
I
could is
remember.
past tense of can.
Tense, yes. Past tense of can is could. For making a polite request, it is could. Okay, maybe I missed out some wouldas, but never mind.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shaped something. Yes, Vita, please continue.
Somebody is asking to let in, ma'am. I think she is not able to come inside the meeting.
Beta, now at this time, chalo, anyways, I've admitted it, Sachin. Please see on your screen. Try and fill the first two exercises. I'll discuss the answers with you. Hurry up,
Okay,
please.
ma'am.
Maybe I missed out some discussion of some models, but you can fill.
Ma'am, A1 is
First-
must. Must.
No, Abhinay, Beta.
I'm should.
First two. Abhinay, not like this.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So soon you've come, or you've come for the next class? You are which class, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Which class are you?
Grammar class.
No, class and section, beta, I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. 10th A.
Acha. You've come so soon? You have a break after this class of 15 minutes and then you have your class. Your class is at 9:05. This class will get over. Then there's a break of 15 minutes. Then is your class.
Okay, ma'am. Can I leave?
Haan, bache. Come at 9:05. Okay, class 9th, you continue. Just fill these first two. I'll discuss the answers with you. Hurry up.
Ma'am,
Just the
and
first two. Just the first two you fill and we'll discuss the answers just now. I'm giving you time. Those who finish, raise your hands. Don't say done, just raise your hands.
And ma'am, the modals can be different also, na?
Yes, they can be different also, Peter. We've not been able to discuss all of them. Just raise your
Ma'am, we
hands
have
once
to
you
do this
finish.
in the rough copy, ma'am.
And Abhi, you do it orally. Later we'll write. In the next class, we'll write the answer. Abhi, you just plan your answers. If you want,
Okay.
you can write it in the rough. I'll just discuss. After you finish both of them, raise your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vichi.
ma'am, in our timetable, there are somewhere dash are there, ma'am. What does that mean?
That means it's a free period for you people.
Ma'am,
You
the
can
third
even-
period was free, ma'am. So, ma'am, but there is a link.
Third period was free. In the
Yes,
timetable.
ma'am. Kamlesh sir has posted the link.
Which section is it? Let me check the timetable side by side. Which
Ma'am, B
section?
section. Ma'am, B.
9th B.
MC.
Okay. Sir has posted the link in which class?
B.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
9th
B.
B.
9B. Okay, let me check the new timetable, 9th B. Because if it is a blank, it actually means that it is a free period.
Yes, ma'am. There is a blank only.
9th B. This is 9B. No, beta, today's Tuesday.
You are
no?
seeing Monday's timetable.
Yes, Monday's timetable is a blank. Otherwise, it's a Hindi grammar class for you. Oh, you're seeing Monday timetable. She's right. Today you have a class. Yes, yes. Hardeep, raise your hands once you finish.
Ma'am, done.
Just hands to be raised so that I get to know how many are done. Raise your hands, those who have done. Speak the answers.
And the first is must. If you notice any unlawful incident, you must call the cop.
Ma'am, same to same must. Must.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Must.
Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, ought
Ma'am,
to.
ma'am should.
Ma'am, should.
Ma'am, should.
Should can also come. Next.
Ought to.
Next. Continue, children. Continue.
Ma'am, we can.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we must.
we should.
Must.
Ma'am, we should
Okay,
trust them.
all can be taken. All can be taken. Continue.
We
Ma'am,
should.
Ma'am, we may get upset.
You can have more than one answers, so there is no confusion for this. Okay, continue.
And then should.
Could.
Ma'am,
Yes,
should.
ma'am.
We can have more than one answer, so don't worry. You can give your answer. Should.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
anyone else?
ma'am, could.
Could.
No, ma'am.
This
sorry.
could. Not
Ma'am,
could.
would.
Ma'am, would.
Huh. Yes, would can be taken. Would can be taken. Yes, children. Continue, my very good. Very good efforts.
Ma'am, first May.
Lot of monkeys in Mahanagar. In my society, there are so many monkeys. Oh my God. Do you have monkeys in your locality?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So many monkeys today. I don't know from where they have come. So many monkeys are there. God. And
Ma'am,
entire they spoil all the flowers. They'll eat. They